Okay, so this is our fourth installment of how our tropical mangroves are progressing from seedling. So the fruits have been on the plant for approximately 3 months now, since the flowers bloomed. So as you can see, they've grown to be quite large in size, especially this top one here. Last time we weighed it was around the 600 gram mark for that large one, and it's around the size of your palm. So I'm going to put my palm against the fruit so you can get a gauge of how large the fruit is. So you can see it's around the size of your palm, so it's quite a decent size, and it's bearing a bit of colour on top there, as you can see. The fruit next to it is not as large as its neighbour, but nonetheless it's still progressing quite well. So if we go down lower, you can see there's another couple more fruits that also are quite large in size. And again, I'll put my palm next to the fruit so you can see, well, get a gauge of how large the fruit is. So that's my hand there against the fruit. You can see it's a decent sized fruit, but being at the bottom of the plant, doesn't have the same colour texture as the top two fruits, but nonetheless progressing quite well. I'll just move back. So if this was grown on a farm plantation, they would have probably started to harvest these and deliver them to the different states in Australia. So by the time it gets to its destination, the fruits would have ripened by the time they arrived at the markets. But being a hobby plant that we've planted in our backyard, we're not going to pick it as yet. We're going to let the fruits ripen on the plant, and then we'll do the taste test once it's all ripened, but that will be in the next installment. So this is just an update of how our tropical mangroves are progressing in our backyard in Melbourne, Australia. So until next time, bye bye.